Hello, and welcome to NousMeeting. In this video, we'll walk through how to create and join a meeting using the NousMeeting platform. To begin, once you log in and land on the dashboard, navigate to the Create Meeting option. Start by entering your meeting topic, then select the date and time that works best for you. After that, choose the meeting duration and add a brief agenda to provide context for participants. You'll also notice an option for auto recording if you are a Pro Zoom member. Since this is a non-Pro Zoom account, you'll need to select Local Recording. With a Pro Zoom account, recordings are automatically captured and uploaded directly into the NousMeeting interface for easy access and post-meeting review. Once all details are completed, your meeting is successfully created within NousMeeting. You can now proceed to start the meeting. At the scheduled time, you'll receive a notification prompting you to launch the Zoom meeting. After the meeting concludes and you end the session, you'll receive a confirmation notification. And that's it. This is how you seamlessly create and join a Zoom meeting through the NousMeeting platform. Thank you for watching.